friends, welcome to the Unit 2, Day 8. Now we're just going to be talking about, with these slopes, are they parallel, perpendicular, or neither? So just visually looking at some of these, you can see the slope of one line is -1/2 and the other one's 1/2. Are these the same? No, they're not the same. Are they perpendicular? So are they opposite reciprocals? Well, they're opposite, but they're not reciprocals. So these are neither or neither, depending upon which you prefer to say. For 8, these two are perpendicular, because they're opposite reciprocals. Again, the numerators and denominators change, and then as did the signs. Number 9 is close to being perpendicular because they are opposite, but they're not reciprocals. The other one would need to be a half instead of 2, as an example. So this is also neither. This one, number 10, this is the one that confuses a lot of students because we don't see the fractions and they jump to perpendicular needing a fraction. You don't necessarily need a fraction for this one. So these are actually perpendicular. And then if the slopes are the same, we know that it's parallel. So for the next two, we actually have to do a little bit of work to find the values of these particular slopes. So for here, so I'm going to do my slope formula. So this is going to be, we'll call this our first point, and then this will be our second point. So we're going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that reduces down to 2 over 1, or just 2. And then the slope of line 2 is 2 minus 4 over 5 minus 4. So let's see. 2 minus 4 is -2, and then 5 minus 4 is 1. So this reduces. So I've got 2 and -2. This is very similar to the one from above. So this is actually neither. And then for this one here, same idea. So we're going to find the slope. So I have -2 minus 0 over -3 minus -5. So -2 minus 0 is -2. -3 minus -5 is -3 plus 5, so that's a positive 2, so this is going to be a -1. And then the slope of my other one is 4 minus 2 over 0 minus -2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 minus -2 is 0 plus 2, so is 2. This gives me 1. These are opposite reciprocals, so this is perpendicular. Now in the back, here we have the intersection of these two lines form a right angle. So if it forms a right angle, then we know that it's perpendicular. So really I'm just checking to see, are these two perpendicular? So to find that out, I need to find the slopes of these two lines. So first I'm going to find the slopes of the slope of A and B, because that's one of the lines. So to do that, so this is the slope of line AB. So the slope of line AB, 10, it's going to be 10 minus 2 over 5 minus 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. So that gives me a slope of 4. And then the slope of C, line CD, so the slope of that, that's going to be -3 minus -4 over 3 minus 7. -3 minus -4, -3 plus 4, that's going to be 1, over 3 minus 7 is -4. Remember, whenever we have a negative, we put it in front of the fraction bar, like so. So these are in fact perpendicular, and they form a right angle. Yes. Lines AB and CD form a right angle. Now, I could say that they're perpendicular, but that doesn't answer the question, and the question wanted us to find if they were a right angle or not. So make sure you always going back and referring to what the question is asking. This one says, graph a line parallel to line AB that passes through point P. So if it's parallel, that means it has to have the same slope. So parallel means same slope. It means I need to find the slope of AB first. So the slope of AB is, I'm going to just do rise over run here. So 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 over 4, that reduces. So that slope is 1/2. So that means I also need to have a slope that is 1/2 here. So I'm going to go up 1 and then to the right 2. And then I can connect these using a straight edge. And then I have a perpendicular line that passes through a parallel line that passes through point P following the same slope. Now, if I want to do one that's perpendicular, then what I need to do is I need to do opposite reciprocals. So a little bit different. So for this one, I still need to find the slope of AB first. So we're going to find the slope of AB. So let's see, that's down 1, 2, 3, 4, down 4. So -4. And then I run 1, 2. So that's going to be -2. So I need the opposite reciprocal of this. So opposite of -2 is +2, and then the reciprocal is 1/2. So the slope of my new line, slope of other line, has to be 1/2, which means I rise 1 and I run 2. So that's going to be here, 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 here. I failed to do this on the other one, but I usually draw all the way out when I connect these, just so that I know how far I need to go. And that's my perpendicular lines. Thanks for joining me on the video. Hope you have a wonderful day.